to explore is to live. It drives us to new discoveries. Introducing the Oppo Find X3 Pro. A powerful device designed for exploration that's always ready when you are. Its futuristic design is thin and light, sleek and seamless, fitting perfectly in the palm of your hand. Its long-lasting battery makes it the perfect companion for discovery, and super-fast charging ensures you never miss a moment of adventure. Experience the extraordinary on a screen like no other. Smooth, efficient, and powerful. The Find X3 Pro gives you the tools to explore. With a wide and ultra-wide angle camera, complete with flagship image sensors, capable of taking incredibly clear video and photos, so you can capture colors in their truest form and see the world and beyond in 1 billion colors. The Oppo Find X3 Pro. Unbox today, discover tomorrow.
Today we're going to show you how to use the Oppo Find X3 Pro to create phenomenal professional quality videos. It's a great device for exploration, so let's get started. This experiment is called Another Earth. We will shoot different scenes of this distant alien planet. We're going to shoot it with the golden hour backdrop to show off all the colors that the Find X3 Pro can capture. And let's add some fog to give the natural elements an eerie, dynamic realism. First, I'll open the camera app and activate cinematic mode. Here we have a lot of fantastic options to play with. By capturing the scene in log, the Find X3 Pro opens up a world of editing possibilities. And if you're like me, you probably want to have full control to have your creativity run wild. This is phenomenal. We've captured some truly beautiful colors, and it's perfectly stable. Now let's compare our normal footage with the log recording. You'll notice the log recording is flat and gray. That's because the Find X3 Pro has flattened out the color, saturation and tone, giving us an uncompressed canvas that we can color to our liking through grading. Here's the same log footage after it's been graded. You can push the exposure, saturation and highlights to your liking. I think it's incredible that we can shoot log on a smartphone. This is something normally only professional cameras have. It makes it a whole lot easier to create a look and feel that matches the theme of my video project. I hope you've learned a thing or two. I sure did.
Hello, I am Jennifer, a professional microphotographer. We have an interest in exploring the unknown and would like to show you the ins and outs of the Find X3 Pro cameras by conducting 2 intriguing experiments. The Find X3 Pro has the functionalities of a professional camera, so today's goal is to see what these features are and how they work. This is the setup for our first experiment. It is a drip system that we are going to use to create images with our Find X3 Pro. We will be using RGB colors, red, green and blue, to give it that cosmic feel, but also to test the capabilities of the Find X3 Pro's 10-bit color. The droplets fall down into this bucket where this mirror reflects the ripples. And here is where we will capture our images. First, access the expert mode. This mode offers the same settings as a professional camera, so just go crazy with that and see which settings work for you. I'll activate the 10-bit color. This feature lets you capture gorgeous full colors in your image. And for this experiment, we will also use the telephoto lens to get up close with the action. Let's switch to RAW. With this feature, the Find X3 gives you the highest level of quality and more control in post-production. believe me when I say that shooting RAW is a game changer. Look at those beautiful patterns. Shooting with RAW generates a flat image, and in doing so opens up a world of editing possibilities. Here, you see what you can achieve by color grading a RAW image. The colors pop more, and you have a sharper image. So far, it's looking really good, right? And I'm happy with the results, but it's time to check out what else the Find X3 Pro can do. So let's head over to our second experiment. This setup here, we are calling our extraterrestrial planet. And I cannot wait to see what we can capture using the different lenses. First up is the ultra-wide lens. You can access this in expert mode. And once you are at 0.6 times, you are ready to go. Oh, that is looking really cool. The difference with the primary lens is huge. I'm impressed by how wide this lens can go. Now let's jump all the way to the other side of our spectrum, to our micro lens. We're gonna use this light box right here to illuminate all the microscopic patterns, details and structures of, in this case, our leaf. Now to our eyes, this might look like an ordinary leaf, right? Let's use the Find X3 Pro micro lens to see just how extraordinary this leaf really is. See what I mean? Look at all those amazing patterns. This is a world within a world. Do you even recognize it's a leaf right now? As you've seen in these two experiments, the Find X3 Pro is a beast of a camera with a wide range of lenses and options for you to play with. I still can't wrap my head around the fact that I can shoot with RAW, just like a professional camera. And remember, you don't need a studio setup like this to achieve similar results. So get out there and explore what you can capture with the Find X3 Pro.
Hello everyone, welcome to the global launch of the Oppo Find X3 series. The new Find X3 Pro represents the latest summit of our human-centric high-end design journey.
Find X3 Pro is equipped with a 6.7-inch native 10-bit curved screen.
With its basic design, the aesthetic is futuristic. With a unique high-end element,
it is the first Android device to adopt the 10-bit full-pass color management system. Fabulous! What about camera?
Find X3 Pro helps redefine how users see color through their smartphone lens.
With just a simple tap,
We believe it will bring you a new smartphone experience. However, futuristic.
powerful, 1 billion color.
It's time to take a peek at the key features that make this possible and set a new standard for high-end smartphone experience. Vibrant future.